ARC's Market Data Services empowers product and marketing managers within medium to large-scale industrial suppliers by providing exclusive access to our web-based analytical tool. This advanced platform, alongside comprehensive technology datasets, is designed to facilitate the creation of robust business planning presentations for product and marketing professionals. The service uniquely offers a navigable, interactive experience, enabling users to precisely identify lucrative growth opportunities across various world regions, industries, and applications. ARC's MDS extends beyond mere access to its cutting-edge tool by offering a tailored annual subscription service. This service includes a personalized online environment equipped with user interface applications and data sets specific to each client's needs. Market Data Services excel in granting clients the capability to export customized dataset results and corresponding visuals directly into Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, or PDF formats, enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of business planning processes. The Market Trends Visual tool, provided by ARC, presents a high-level analysis encompassing key regional, vertical, and technology trends that significantly impact the relevant technology markets. It offers a comprehensive quantitative analysis of year-over-year growth across various segments, coupled with qualitative insights from ARC's subject matter experts. These insights underline pivotal takeaways from the analysis, thereby enabling clients to swiftly navigate through different market perspectives with the aid of intuitive toggle icons. ARC introduces a market opportunity tool designed to quantify the potential market opportunities in diverse regional, vertical, and technology markets. This tool integrates the three distinct analytical approaches into one singular visual representation, a bubble chart segmented into 4 quadrants. This chart considers expected market CAGR, competitive consolidation levels via the Herfindahl Index, and potential revenue growth in US dollars, offering a comprehensive overview of where the greatest growth opportunities reside. Further enriching the utility of the Market Opportunity tool, ARC enables clients to simulate various scenarios to evaluate changes in market opportunities. This functionality allows for dynamic adjustments based on the expansion or contraction of market coverage across specified regions, verticals, and technologies. Through interactive selection or deselection of technologies, clients can immediately observe the impact on their market opportunities, facilitating strategic planning and decision-making. ARC's Market Growth Forecast tool is complemented by detailed qualitative analyses from ARC's subject matter experts. These analyses dissect key market dynamics and trends, offering a deeper understanding of the quantitative forecasts provided. This insight helps clients grasp the factors driving demand for their products in specific segments and comprehend the fundamental market trends influencing their technology markets. This innovative tool also empowers clients to conduct sub-segment analyses, enabling them to visualize just how adjustments in market coverage could affect their growth opportunities. Whether expanding into new vertical industries or discontinuing existing ones, this tool dynamically updates both qualitative and quantitative analyses, aiding clients in comprehending the implications of their strategic industry coverage decisions. This presentation has outlined how ARC's Market Growth Outlook data service offers indispensable analytical tools for product and marketing managers at automation equipment vendors. These tools are tailored to aid in navigating market trends opportunities, and much more. Please contact us to learn more about how ARC's Market Data Services can help you with your business planning activities. This presentation has outlined how ARC's Market Growth Outlook data service offers indispensable analytical tools for product and marketing managers at automation equipment vendors. These tools are tailored to aid in navigating market trends, opportunities, and much more. Please contact us to learn more about how ARC's Market Data Services can help you with your business planning activities.